17 September 2024. I'm working on my my hatch here. I got two pieces of aluminum. I'm gonna bond in place. I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna put one there. That's where the ball sockets are gonna mount for my shock struts. I'm trying to shim them up away from this structure here. So anyway, I got a tip here I want to pass along to everybody. This tube of marine sealant, it's 5200. Okay, I've used it several times. Each time I use it, I put a dab. I pump out a little bit of sealant, and then I dab it and kind of make a cap or a ball on the end of it like that. And what that'll do is that'll make it so that when you pop that off, the sealant that's in that tube, in this tube here, it will not be cured, and you'll be able to reuse it. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I try and reuse it so that we can move forward on this. I'm trying to get this this hatch, my motor well hatch, on my boat. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna set this thing up. I don't know if everybody can see. I'm just gonna lean it up against the box. Looks like that'll work. So this was in the refrigerator. I keep it in the refrigerator when I'm not using it. This cap will pop right off. Right? It popped right off. Very easy. And oh boy, that didn't go good. Let me set this up again. Make sure everybody can still see. All right. Okay, so I popped this cap off, the little ball or whatever, and as you can see, that sealant's still wet. It's still usable. So the sealant that's inside this tube is not cured. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a little bit of sealant. I got a couple of pieces of aluminum that I'm going to glue in place, basically. We'll bond them in place with 5200 marine sealant. Okay. So now this is what I do. Pump a little bit out, like that. And then you make sure you kind of make a ball. You make a cap. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in my refrigerator. And I'll be able to pour it out and use it next time I need it, so I don't waste it. So these are my pieces. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm gonna put one here. That's gonna get, I'll put a clamp on that. There's the other one. It's going to go over here. But the purpose I'm trying to put out here is if you put a ball of sealant on the end of your tip, whether it's RTV or any kind of sealant that cures, okay, next time I need it, I'll just pop that ball off like I did this right here, and I'll be able to reuse my tube of sealant. It's just expensive, it adds up. So tricks like this help. Hope everybody enjoyed watching my video. Still working on this boat, trying to get it ready to go fishing. It won't be long. Peace out.